Conversation 111, clothes.
Jack, did you iron your shirt?
Yes, but Mom, I can't find my watch.
Did you look in your room?
Oh wait, I found it. It was in my pants pocket.
Good. Here is your lunch. Should I put it in your bag?
Yes, please. It's by my shoes. Conversation 112, school. Hi Mom. I'm home.
Good. How was school?
It was okay. We had a really hard math test today.
How did you do?
I do not know yet. I will find out on Friday.
I hope you did well. Do you have any homework tonight?
Yes. I have a little bit of history homework and I need to read 2 chapters for English class. Conversation 113, goals and dreams.
What do you want to do when you grow up?
I want to be a fireman.
Do you have any other goals or dreams?
I would like to graduate from college, marry, and have a good family.
My dream is to be a movie star. Because I want to be rich and famous.
Conversation 114, travel.
How did your business trip go?
It went very well. The airport was a little busy. There was a huge line at the security check, and the guards were checking everyone's luggage. It took a long time.
Was the flight okay?
The company paid for first-class seats, so I was very comfortable.
That sounds nice. Last time you had to take a red-eye, right?
Yes, I did. And I had a 24-hour layover on the way home. Conversation 115, vocation.
Hi James. How are you doing?
Hi Sophie. No long time to see you. I'm good. And you?
May I ask you some questions?
Yes. Of course.
Did you have a vacation this year?
Yes, I did.
Where did you go?
I went to Siem Reap for a week with my family.
What did you do there?
Oh, it was fantastic. I visited Anchor Touch and Anchor Tom. At night I went to Pub Street and Night Market. I took a lot of photos and I bought some souvenir. The food and drink were amazing in Siem Reap.
Did you have a great time there?
Yes, I did. It was a wonderful vacation with family. I think you should take your family there one day.
Thank you for your answers. Nice to talk with you. Bye.
You too. See you later.
Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like and share the channel, Sreyoun in order to get more videos. Thank you.